Only questions and answers. No time waste. Please focus on your career, focus on your future goal, and you know how to achieve it. This is the aim of our YouTube channel, Railway Maker by Vipin sir. Let's start the first question. Question number 1. Which of the following is the strongest metal on earth? Your answer is option A. Option A. Tungsten. Why? Due to high melting point. His melting point is 3422 degrees Celsius. What is melting? Melting have those point or degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit or degree Reaumur or Kelvin temperature. A metal or solid state convert into a liquid state. That point is called its melting point. Another question asked in our exam: which temperature scale does not have degree use? Your answer is Kelvin, and Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. And also another question asked in our railway exam, especially railway exam: Kelvin scale was discovered by dash question mark. Your answer is William Thomson. Next question. Question number 2. Which of the following is the heaviest metal on earth? Your answer is option C. Option C. Osmium. Why? Due to high density, osmium have heavy metal and its density approximately 22.61 gram per centimeter cube. Gram per centimeter cube. Another question asked in our railway exam: what is the lightest metal in the world? Your answer is lithium. Lithium. It has density 0.534 gram per centimeter cube. Next question. Question number 3. Which of the following is called future metal? Your answer is option C. Titanium. Titanium is called the future of metal. Why? Because titanium is being increasingly used in our modern society. It is light, strong, and corrosion resistant. And also another question asked in our railway exam, which is called the future of fuel. Your answer is hydrogen. Then next question. Question number 4. Gold metal dissolve in which chemical? Your answer is option D, aqua regia or aqua regis. Aqua regia is a mixture of hydrochloric acid in the ratio 3:1. You know hydrochloric acid formula HCl and nitric acid formula HNO3. You know very well. And its IUPAC name is nitric acid hydrochloride. Nitric acid hydrochloride. Then next question. Question number 5. Human blood color is red due to which metal? Your answer is option A, iron. Its symbol is Fe. We know. Blood color is red due to hemoglobin, and hemoglobin carry oxygen to our body cell, and hemoglobin contain iron metal, so human blood color is red. Then next question. Question number 6. How many elements that are liquid at room temperature or normal temperature? Your answer is option D. There are 6 elements which are liquid at normal room temperature. These elements are bromine, mercury, francium, cesium, gallium, rubidium. Those 6 elements liquid form at room temperature. Next question. Question number 7. Which of the following non-metal shining in nature? Your answer is option C, iodine. Iodine. Non-metal have not the property of shining or glazing or dazzling in nature, but exceptional case is iodine. Although iodine is a non-metal, but looks shining in nature. Another question asked in our exam: absence of iodine in our body cause a disease called Goiter disease. Goiter disease. Next question. Question number 8. Which metal is called the king of the metal? Your answer is option B, gold. Gold. Its symbol is Au. You know very well. Because gold used for ornaments making hugely in our society. So gold is called king of metal. Another question asked in our exam: which is called king of chemical? Your answer is sulfuric acid. Its symbol is H2SO4. H2SO4 is the king of chemical. Next question. Question number 9. Which gas is called crying gas? Your answer is option A. Option A. Lacrimator. Lacrimator. Its chemical formula O-chlorobenzylidene malonitrile. Its chemical formula O-chlorobenzylidene malonitrile. And another question asked in our railway exam, which is called laughing gas? Which is called laughing gas? You know, it's an easy question. Answer is nitrous oxide. Its symbol, its formula is N2O. N2O. Nitrous oxide, laughing gas. Next question. Question number 10. This is our last questions of today class. Which gas is called stranger gas? Your answer is option B. Xenon. Your answer is xenon. Xenon is called stranger gas. You know. Similarly, another a question asked variously in our railway exam, which gas is called Mars gas? Your answer is methane. Its symbol is CH4. And methane produced in biogas plant. So, it is also called gobar gas. Other name of methane is gobar gas. Gobar gas. Then next top 10 question you face in tomorrow class. If you satisfied my questions, then like, subscribe and share to your colleague, your friend circle. Let's bye bye. Have a good day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.